Gdje ste ljudi? Evo, čekali smo moment za i avanturu. Evo, danas počnemo da igramo ovu igru zato što sam vam ovome što su bili u školi rekao sam vam, pisao sam na listu i onda zapamtio šta da... I ništa ljudi, ovo sam morao reći nešto sestri. Evo nas u avanturu. I sad igramo Amanda. Ne, ništa igra. Živa, vidite ljudi, već kamo. Ono da. Čekaj, šta smo mi? Okej, ovdje ću pisati dir deja, ništa ljudi. Ovo su nam kontrole. Samo lijevi klik koristi, evo vidite ovu jabuku. I evo nas u igru. Šta ti Bog ti pomogu? Brže to malo. Stanite ljudi. I malo pričkajte. Evo nas. Ništa ljudi, evo nas u igri. I počnemo sa prvim tejpom.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
Today we're going to make an apple pie.
My favorite is peach pie.
What's your favorite kind of pie? That sounds delicious. Today we're going to make an apple pie. First, we need to cut the apples. Do you know what we can use to cut the apples? We can't use that. We can't use that. Good job. We can use a sharp knife.
I don't think we're supposed to do that by ourselves.
It's always good to be brave when you're by yourself. Look, I'm a pirate. Ha!
That doesn't seem safe.
Okay, Willie, let's cut the apple. That was hard. We have almost everything we need to make our pie. We just need some sugar. Do you know where we keep the sugar? Is it in the pantry, the refrigerator, or the sink? Nope. Try again. Great! Let's make a pie. Can you smell the apples and cinnamon? Okay, it's time to bake a pie. First, preheat the oven to 425.
I don't think we should be using the oven by ourselves. We should always ask a parent to help.
I'm not sure where they are right now. We're on our own, Willie. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then, put the apples into the pie tin. Now, put it in the oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Our pie is ready! I can't wait to eat it! Willie, let's have some pie!
Možda je ovo čudno. Kako Drena došla ovdje? Stani. Vidite ovaj tajni haste. Znate kako šifra ide? 8 22222. Krademo pare, da vidimo jel imaju pare unutra. Šta ima ovdje? Nemam reći da ima nešto ovo. Če ovo dugme ide? Stani, možda ode u televizu? Sad imamo skip, ja mislim. Ajmo u rernu kuhat. Pa mi unutra. Ej, baci mi ranu iz ovo rerne. Baš ti pomogao, staj gdje stojiš. Ovo ova bubetna manda nije normalna. I to je Goranova sestra, ko što mi je rekao. Daj, Bog ti pomogu. Šta? Kako si ovo uradilo? Kako je ovo dospjelo? O, jeboli ga mater. Ništa, ajmo nastaviti dalje.
Hi, friends. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Wooly.
What do you like best about your neighborhood?
Šipak tvoje mame.
That's great. I like that there are so many friends in my neighborhood. Today, I want to send something special to my friend. First, I need to go to the store to buy them a card. Do you know where the store is? That's not the store, silly. Good job! Let's go to the store. Let's pick out a card. My friend helped me when I was sad. What kind of card should I send them? It's not their birthday. Great! I found the perfect card. Time for the next errand. When friends do nice things, it's important to thank them. I want to get my friend a special treat.
Can I have a special treat?
I want to get my friend a special treat. Where can I buy a treat for my friend? Wow, your friends must love your treats from the post office. Good job! Let's go get that treat.
Mmm. Everything smells so good.
I want to buy my friend some cookies. Can you show me where the cookies are? Those look so tasty! We just have one more stop in the neighborhood. The package is ready for my friend. They live pretty far from me, so we need to mail it.
Wow, it's getting late. Most of the stores are closed. We probably can't send that now.
I have to send this to my friend. It's time to go to the post office. Let's send this package to my friend. Their name is... Wait, I don't remember. Can you help me?
We can come back tomorrow. You don't have to send that now.
No, I have to send this to my friend. Help me. Who does the package need to go to? No, that's not my friend's name. You have to know their name.
Napisalo ti je Kate, Lazo. Da.
Great work! Now we can send this to my friend. I hope she likes the cookies.
Neće Lazo više dat. Sad imamo ovaj glupi klavir. Znam kako da ga sviram. O! A šta je ovo? Neki čudan tek.
Oh, it's you.
Ja.
Whatever you do,
Don't...
Kak prije!
Oh no! Wooly had an accident! An accident is when something bad happens, but it's not anybody's fault. Accidents can happen in your house, at school, at the playground. You can get hurt almost everywhere. At 3:45 this afternoon, we were playing and Wooly tripped and fell.
I didn't...
Where on Wooly does it look like he got hurt?
Ljudi, Lazo piše ovaj put. Ne ide tako, ne ide tako.
That part of Wooly looks fine.
Znaš kako?
Hurry up, he's hurt.
Lazo, K. Koljeno.
That's right. Wooly hurt his knee. Who can help when you are hurting?
Lazar napisao, fuck. Napiši D. Ja ću napisat. Ja. A ne moj.
I don't think they can help.
Mogu nam pomoći.
Don't you want to help Wooly?
Lazare, napiši. Lazare.
What? Are you even here? Try again. You're almost there. I'm wasting my time and I'm running out of patience.
Lazare, šta si uradio? Možda ti doktor treba.
Let's take Wooly to the hospital to see a doctor.
Zavolo sam super.
Which room should we go into to find the right doctor to help Wooly?
Stani, nemoj. Lako očisti naš sob. Lazare, bereš.
I don't think that doctor can help Wooly. Come on, let's get Wooly fixed up.
Kako se vrata brzo?
Amanda, this really hurts. When is the doctor going
The doctor isn't here
Malo smo zaustavili, opet se vratimo.
right now. Let's see how we can help Wooly. Which tool can we use to check Wooly's injury? The heart monitor, the x-ray machine, or the scale?
Ljudi, šta da izaberem? Možda heartbeat.
That won't help Wooly.
Srce izašlo!
I'm scared. What should we use?
That's right. Now we can look at Wooly's bones.
Ništa, ljudi, vidimo se u drugom dijelu. Upam da ste enjoyali video, drugi dio stiže danas ako budemo ostali.